Thank you, you too. I paused till the person who was next to me could leave without me invading their privacy. But this wind is something else, let me tell you. I'm only 12 seconds, 13 seconds into this video, and it's crazy. Oh. Thank you. Oh. That is just great. Whoa, there's some lightning. Okay. I'm going to stay on air here for a little bit and see what happens. Woo, hear that thunder crack? Oh, I'm going to have to roll up the window very soon here. Because we're getting soaked. Oh, yeah. And there's the windshield.
You want to attempt to go to Walmart? We need to go back there.
Hold on.